Hey guys! If you haven't been back to visit us yet to see our first-hand sanitation processes, we wanted to show you what we are doing to ensure not only your safety, but our safety. As you can see from this video, once you leave our chair, our stylist will sanitize down the chair with a barbicide hospital-grade disinfectant. It has a 10-minute soak time, and as you can see, the stylist will come back after 10 minutes, wipe it down. Any surface that you sit on while at 30 hair, you will see us sanitize it afterwards. Every chair after every single client is sanitized, as well as our tools, chairs, and other surfaces. Again, you can see Amber here wiping it down. Here we have a client getting up from the waiting room area, and again, we have someone coming over to sanitize it. We are just making sure you guys know the processes in order to make you feel comfortable and safe at all times while visiting our salon. We also wanted to let you know that high-touch surface areas such as our pens in the front area where you sign your receipt are sprayed down, and as you can see, we have sanitized pens, and then we also have high-touch surfaces being sanitized with barbicide or Lysol. We also have lots of sanitizers throughout the property in order for you to use, as well as disposable masks available at front entry. And again, we ask that you wear your mask when you come to 30 hair above the nose and covering your mouth. Thanks so much. Wear a mask. Thanks for watching.